Hello, my dear folks. I'm going to explain you about the Kotlin, which is a new RIC language. And here we have written a code regarding the Kotlin. This is the MVC pattern we have followed. Okay, this is a code, and I am using the Android Studio 3 Canary version, which is mentioned above. So we'll go through about the code first, and later I'll be like explaining you the step by step. So this is like you can create file new project, and if you provide Kotlin support, it will give you the Kotlin support, and the process of creating a project is same. So we'll come from a scratch. When you design a code, it will be generated like this and nothing will be added. So we'll go through settings. This is a support added for a Kotlin. It's the extension of modules mentioned here. So next is we'll go for a build reader. It will only come with this. You want to add extension, that is like auto generation of the view variable, you have to add this file add this line of the code. Then it will be initially having a JRE sound. Remove it and just keep it like that, so it won't be pausing anything. And I've added a constraint layout, which is the latest. I'm using this layout in order to adjust the view. And this is OKSTP3 latest version, and this is an interceptor which will be able to help you on debugging the REST process. And retrofit 2, this is a REST client I'm using, that it is provided by Square. And this is a converter from JSON to Kotlin object, or Swift Java object, you can call it as. It will be used there. And this is a converter supported with the retrofit. And Timber is a new logging system where you can use for, suppose you are using for debugging, you can use this and it will directly give the name of the class. And when you want to use it like for crash analytics, you can design your own debug tree, then set up for Firebase crash analytics, and you can test the production level app. This finally the resettler will. So we'll be going through the code. Here we have certain modules in main. So first we'll go with the API module. This is a API module test, and this is so object reason, like we don't want to create any object. Kotlin provides us one object level class where you can access directly instead of a static. So this is the URL I'm holding. Wait, I'll copy paste this in a browser. So this will be the REST API you will be getting. Fine. And here this is a builder, and we have attached, even you can avoid this if you want, case. So I left, this will be like a constructed. This here we'll be adding the and builder, and this is a login interceptor. And this is one of the advantage in Kotlin is like we can give a lambda expression support, which is like more functional compared to lots of boilerplate code that we written in Java. So val is considered to be final, and var is considered to be a variable. So this is like equivalent to shift, and this is my adapter. We have written the code, and the synthesis will be generating the item for us. This is directly we got from the this item. Suppose, okay, the synthesis we have to type, and if we go to layout editor, so this is a new and like we have added constraints for like each time. And this is our layout, which is consist only the recycler, the main activity. And here we are having a post model. So this is a class, you can name it as a data class. Since it's like acting for a photo, we'll be using a data class. This is a like static method will be like accessing with a companion object factory. Even though you have mentioned companion object, either you can use the factory or you need not use the factory. So API will call back with a generic where it will be like handle the interface. It is a generic callback for us. API error will be used for a validation, and this is a post method, and this will be like a generalized method thing. And one of the advantage in retrofit Kotlin is this: you can directly assign if it is a single line of the code, and it is like we are using switch case when it is unauthorized, else other default message we are using and we are taking. And the purpose of this is like optional. It directly includes the option such that we can avoid any error. So that's it when we run the code. Finally, I have not mentioned any like timber. If you want, we can mention timber. It supports the Java, so like this is a Java library, so we can use the code directly. So error message, and if you see here, it will be like we need not use set getters or setters. This automatically has a getters and setters. So if you use equals, this is a property accessor, so it will assign to the setter. And for native, like they are, it's not able to assign, so we have to directly pass a value. And this is adapter, this is like instead of set adapter we are giving this. So this is a class for a post data model. So we have to provide the question mark so that it will take. Okay, I forgot to provide the application. Wait once again. So Kotlin, here we have the thing. Class, and I am going to write post application. And I'm going to transfer it to the package called core. You can define anything in your package. So basically I'll prepare link to core. And here you have to extend should be given by this application. And you have to pass a constructor. So defaultly it will be taking constructor as one parameter. So this is the overridden function given here. So in timber dot, and so we have got timber dot debug 3, and here new keyword is like avoid it. So directly will be set and will be like pasting the application. Yeah. So post application. I posted the code in a GitHub. If you want, you can take the reference. And here, once when we start running, already I've started the emulator. Since Kotlin is our official Android language, I'm posting this video. So you can expect a lot more video other than this. This is a canary version, so it might take you to have a stable version. See, you need not write lots of code. It's like with just very less code because all these things are coming from this layout ID. So it is easily writable. Thank you. Please subscribe to Vinay Logic so that I can provide you lot more will the videos regarding Kotlin of Android application. If you have any commented related to the video or any suggestion, please provide, and I'll be giving you a GitHub link with along with the video. Bye. See you later.